And then for our first Britney, Ronald McDonald says, I want you to bring me an orange ATM card. Orange ATM card, kailangan ko ng tatlo. 1, 2, tatlong orange ATM card. 1, Ate Cassie, bigyan mo siya ng game prize. Dalawa pa, 2. Sino pa mahabol orange ATM card? Ay, takbo niya yan dito. Kaya si ate. Ayan at siya ang mas swerte. Magtatap ng card mamaya para bayaran ang bills nila, mami at daddy. Hindi, ayan. Sa'yo na. Ayan. Ronald McDonald says, I want you to bring me, using your tray mat, an airplane. Aeroplanong papel gamit ang mga tray mat sa inyong table. Kailangan ko rin ang tatlong lumilipad na aeroplanong papel. Ayan, tingnan natin kung gaano makakabilis ang skills natin mga mamit dahil sa pag-aeroplan. Ayan, pag-aeroplan mo yan, tapos mo. Kung lilipad ba ang iyong aeroplanong papel, ayun natin kasi, ayan na. Paliparin mo ulit. Bigat fly. Ayun natin kasi, last one. Ayan, bigat fly. Wow! Malapakan naman natin ang ating mga kids. Natimulungan na ating. Wait, sir. Magbigay natin si sir. Gusto mo palipad, di ba? Ayan, paliparin mo yan dyan sa kanilang harapan. Ayan, sir, candy para sa iyo. Okay. Ronald McDonald says, I want you to bring me picture nyo together with our celebrant. Picture nyo sa inyong gallery or printed man yan. Kailangan ko ulit ng tatlo, so kalkalin nyo na ang inyong gallery, ang inyong cellphone. Ayan. Kahit luma, kahit hindi na yung araw na to, or kahit ngayon mismo magpapicture kayo kay Noah. So get our game prize. Ay, wala pa kayo mga picture dahil. 1, 2, last one. Last one. Wala na mga habol. In 3. Nahiya pa si sir. Gusto ko makakot ang game prize eh. Ayan si sir. Okay, thank you so much. And for our last Britney, Ronald McDonald says, I want you to bring me 1,000 peso bill. Yung lumang 1,000 peso bill. Ayan yung tao pa rin nasa tagal. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, Olivia, this is all yours. Hindi, ayan. Balik na lang natin. Baka i-demand ka pa ako ng mga to eh. Sorry. Kanino pa yung isa? Thank you so much. And pagpabuhay pa lang yun ang ating mga energy at ramdam namin na gusto rin talaga maglaro. And man, let's move on to our next game. And for this game, kailangan po namin ng 12 kids. Ayan yung mga ating mga kids na gusto maglaro. Lapit na kayo dito sa unahan.
Pwede si Noah.
Ayan, Noah, you want to join? And join us here. Ayan. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11. Last one. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11. Last one na yun si Kuya. Ayan. English dollar po ba silang lahat? Okay, and now before I explain the mechanics of the game, I want you guys to choose your partner first. Choose your partner. Okay? Ayan, and now, I want you guys to, sila ba partner? Tapatan nyo lang yung inyong partner like this. Ayan. Face your partner. Okay? Also, let's give a space in the middle. Let's give space and move backward and move back. Move backward. Okay. Are you guys familiar with the game? game, head, shoulders, knees, and toes? Where's your head? Shoulders, knees, toes. Okay, very good. Dahil hindi yan ang ating lalaroan because here at McDonald's, we call this game Chicken McDo and Get the Cup. So when I say chicken, you have to do the chicken action. Chicken, McDo, chicken, McDo, chicken, McDo. And when I say Get the Cup, paunahan niyo muna rin yung cup na nasa pagitan ninyo, okay? And all you need to get is the tiny cup inside of a big cup. Okay? Let's do a practice first. Chicken. McDo. Chicken. McDo. Chicken. McDo. Chicken. And get the cup. Ay, ganyan na siya kadali. Don't panic. Ay, chill, chill. It's so slow and it's so mabagal. Mabagal lang siya. Okay. Game na, game na. Game na to. All you need to get is the small cup. Disregard the big cup, okay? Ready? In 3, 2, chicken. McDo. Chicken. McDo. Chicken. McDo. 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 Chicken. McDo. Chicken. McDo. Chicken. McDo. Chicken. Chicken. McDo. 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 And chicken. McDo. Chicken. 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 McDo. Chicken. McDo. Chicken. McDo. Chicken. 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 McDo. Chicken. McDo. Chicken. 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 McDo. 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 Chicken. 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 Burger. Chicken. McDo. Chicken. McDo. Chicken. McDo. Chicken. McDo. And get the cup. Get the cup. Ayan. And for those who didn't get the tiny cup, you may now take your seat and still congratulations. And for those who got the tiny cup, you will be the players for our second round. And for our second round, I want you guys to choose your partner again. Ayan. And choose your partner again. Okay, and for this round, ayan, let's make this round harder. So you have to move back to your partner. Turn back to your partner, okay? Okay, and now,
Pwede ba natin urong? Urong ko lang po dito.
ayan. And now, may lalagay kami dalawang malaking cup sa inyong pagitan at just one big cup has the tiny cup, okay? Ayan, Ate Cassie. Palagay na lang ako. May dalawang malaking cup sa inyong likod at isa lang doon ang may maliit na cup na kailangan yung pagagawan at kunin. Okay. Okay. Ready? In 3, 2, chicken. McDo. Chicken. McDo. Chicken. 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 McDo. Chicken. McDo. Chicken. 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 McDo. Chicken. McDo. Chicken. 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 McDo. 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 And chicken. McDo. Chicken. McDo. Chicken. McDo. Chicken. 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 McDo. Chicken. McDo. Chicken. McDo. Chicken. McDo. Chicken burger. Chicken. McDo. Chicken. McDo. Chicken. McDo. Chicken. McDo. And get the cup. Get the cup. Bakit ako sa likod? Ready po? Okay. Hindi ko pala na-explain, okay? For those who get the tiny cup, they will be considered as our winner. Ay, palakpakan naman talaga yung tatlo. Ayan. Picture, and put it sa gitna and get our prize na Ate Cassie. And congratulations. Ayun na, syempre. pwedeng manonood lang yung ating mga adults. Dahil sa may prepare na, kami ay may prepare po na laro.